कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता. This is our homemade paneer. So I'm going to show you all the homemade paneer, and I have just crumbled few. It is very soft actually, that's why it is like this. Very and so I'm going to make some dish out of it as a filling for our some wrap. So for that I'm taking this around around 25 grams of paneer. You can take more. Then this is pak choy, so I'm going to make pak choy. This is our home grown pak choy, bok choy leaves, which I'm going to chop this into very finely. Then I'm using some onion greens and chop them finely, 2 green chilies and curry leaf. And we are not going to add any much masala to this, only pepper powder I will be adding and little bit of coriander powder. That's it. Okay, so now I will chop this fine and I will show you the next process. I've taken 1 tablespoon of oil for this, and I will add some cumin to this. Curry leaves, onions, greens and pak choy. And we'll saute this nicely. So we'll saute this very nice. So once this is nicely, so it doesn't take much time, we will add our paneer, and you can crumble them or you can keep it whole, and we will mix this nicely. Quick, easy vegetable. Add salt to taste. Turmeric powder and coriander powder. Little bit of pepper powder we will add. Next, pinch of pepper powder. And I have a black cherry tomato. You can use any tomato, so I am going to slice this and add on top. Yeah. Now we will mix. I will take it out separately because we need to make some white sauce. Okay. So we add this butter, and I take 1 tablespoon of flour. I take little bit more than 1. So 1 and little bit. That's it. Now we will fry this, and we have to add half cup of water to half cup of milk to this. On low flame, fry this nicely. And take half cup of milk. That's it. it's nicely creamy. So we'll put off the gas and we can add little bit of salt to this, as the butter was saltless, and little bit of pepper powder to this also. And to this we will add our vegetable, that is our paneer. What we need, we'll add this, how much we need. Mix this nicely and we'll give this a, so this is our filling. And then we get all the ingredients. Okay. Wrap, that is a veg without egg, we need half cup of flour and 1 cup of water. Add salt. Mix this nicely. Make a thin batter. So still we need water to this. Mix this nicely. And then now we will make crepe or pancake. So this is without egg. Our batter is ready. And we have to make it only one side. And it is done, and we will turn this. So here all are ready, and let it get cool down little. And we need some breadcrumbs and some slurry of remaining that same batter. Whatever last portion was remaining, I transferred here in this jetty. Now ready to stuff. We'll take some breadcrumb, and then our vegetable is also ready, the mix. We will add that is paneer and all, whatever we made, into this with our white sauce. And same way it is how we did for our and to seal this we can use some this and seal it. Slurry on top. You can even put plain water, but when the batter is there, that also is possible. So like this only. Done. Ready to fry. So like this only, wrap all the others. So now let's fry this, and now we'll fry this in normal oil. Till golden brown. And here it is, I have flip-flopped it. Now I want it brownish color, so Here it is ready to serve. Hope you all will enjoy this veg pan roll. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं म्हणटा मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातले. Thank you.
And here it is, lovely and tasty veg pan roll.